Shot of PB from our PB Skycam. We have some people paddling out this morning. Waves today will be anywhere from 1 to 4 feet as a mixed swell moves in. Low tide has peaked, and now we're just aiming towards high tide, which will peak around the 11 o'clock hour. Taking a look at surface temperatures right now, we're in the 30s and 40s across the board. Temperatures right now running a lot cooler than 24 hours ago. We're below freezing officially for neighborhoods like Ramona. Meanwhile, 32 degrees at freezing for Warner Springs, 49 in Palomar Mountain, and not a lot of relief for the desert areas. They're also waking up in the 30s and 40s. All right, today's highs, we are going to be warmer than yesterday, and this warming trend will continue through the second half of the work week. I have daytime highs inching close to 70 degrees for most of the coastal communities. For the inland and desert areas, we'll top out in the mid 70s. Some of the warmer spots will get closer to 80 degrees inland, and for the mountain areas, we will see daytime highs in the low 60s. Yesterday's daytime highs for areas like Julian were in the low 50s, so this afternoon will be about 10 degrees warmer. So a nicely formed bomb cyclone just off the coast of Canada as well as the Pacific Northwest is going to bring torrential downpours to Northern California and states like Oregon as well as Washington over the next couple of days. There are a slew of warnings, watches, and advisories. As it makes its way inland, it will bring us showers eventually this weekend. Taking a look ahead, it looks like the rain is now holding off until Saturday night into Sunday morning, but it looks like most of the shower activity will be impacting your Monday. It is looking like totals can be anywhere from a quarter to about an inch or so, locally maybe an inch and a half. So just make sure that you're using these next couple of dry days if you haven't yet to prepare for wet weather, because that's one of 2 storms that I'm actually tracking next week. Coastal areas, despite waking up in the 30s, 40s, and 50s, we will warm up this afternoon once the sun fully starts to rise. We are still going to have those really cold mornings all the way through the weekend. Inland areas will be in the mid to upper 70s. I do want to pop open the chance for shower activity day by day because it's pretty low through Friday and Saturday, but it really starts to rise on Monday. Again, that's looking like the greatest chance for rain Monday, potentially into Tuesday. And then I want to quickly pop open Sunday because these are the totals for California. All right, so that's this weekend. We could have areas like, I can't read, the text is kind of small here, Sacramento, half an inch of rain. But if we compare it to downtown San Diego, we're looking at 1/100 of an inch. So the mid to northern part of California is going to just get, again, pummeled with some heavy rain over the next couple of days due to that storm that's going to tap into an atmospheric river, potentially our first atmospheric river event of the season. 60s on tap through Saturday for the mountain areas. Desert highs will be in the 70s for the next couple of days. One day of 80s on Friday.